SAMRO just launched something brand new, a dedicated complaints mailbox. Now, before you roll your eyes, this could actually be a big deal. For the first time, they've set up a direct, structured and secure way for members to raise concerns, to ask for clarity, or suggest improvements. No more getting stuck in phone call loops or emailing random departments trying to find a specific person. The email is complaints@samro.org.za. This means if you've been waiting for royalties, confused about your membership tier, or struggling with registrations, you now have a single point of contact. It's a small move, but for us as composers, it could mean faster issue resolution, or at least a paper trail we can follow. Will it change everything? Probably won't. But it's worth using and worth holding them accountable. Tag a SAMRO member who needs to hear this and follow for more real-time updates on South African music industry issues.